Welcome to the second session. So far, we imported the CSV file through folder option, and we have imported all these files data from 2009 till 2019 Premier League data, English Premier League, and today we will be importing the scheme.json file. JSON file is similar to text file. Let me just show you. Its formatting is like this. This is the format of the JSON file. So how we import a JSON file, I will show you. It's very simple. Uh, Most of the nowadays data comes in encrypted form, and JSON is used widely to share the data. So whenever you mm, encounter to import data through JSON, then it will help you. Okay, so just click on get data and select the option for JSON. It's just coming up. You can see from here, you can see we have the JSON option. So just click on connect. It will ask you for the path. I've already navigated the path and scheme. So from this, let me just connect it. And from this, I just want to import the abbreviation and the full form. For example, what does this for FTAG means? FTAG means full time home goal. These all things I want to import only this part. So these two columns, name, and you can see it's arranged as columns and their value, column and their value. So this is how it is arranged here. So I have to just I want to just import these two things. So this is how it is and gets imported. Now from this you need to expand this in this list. Just click here list. It will get expanded records. Cross it, and from expand values, and I want it in comma. So I'm taking comma because if you see the file, each field is this is one field. This is separated by comma. Here you can see from here also one field. So I'm taking comma as my separator. It's giving me error. No worries. If okay, expand to new rules. Let's try. So you can see now I can see my from list. I can see my records. Okay, and from records, if I drop down, you can see the name different column headers. I'm getting name, type, format, description as we see in the JSON file. If I click OK, then it will show me the records. Okay, so you can see it's there, name, date, DMI, and similarly if I click on missing values, expand new role, it's blank. Okay, so this is how you can import and extract data from JSON file. So let's do some of the cleaning here. Okay, so first of all we need to promote you can see the headers are not as per our desire. Okay, and if I see the first row, it says date, and these all things it's telling me. So this is also not up to the mark. So just let me promote the first row as header. if any file doesn't have desired header, and you see that second or the third row is the actual header, then you can promote this. For example, in this we seen that our first row was actual header, but the Power Query editor didn't realize that it's a header. Okay, so this is, we have promoted it, and now we need to rename these headers. So okay, we want to rename these headers. So this will be our, let's remove few of the rows which we don't want. We don't want this. Just if you want to remove any column, so just right click on it and select remove. Or also you can just select this column and select here remove column and just remove it. There are two remove functions. One is a remove column. Remove column will remove only the selected column, and remove other columns means it will remove other columns except the selected one. Okay, so we also don't need this, so remove this unwanted. This also we don't want, remove. Okay, now let's rename that. To rename, you just double click on the header and then I think spelling is correct. It's incorrect. Okay, and this is my free form. Okay, so this is what we have here. Now we have imported this file from this. Now our next task is to is to rename this, work on the data data query. Whenever you have any data in Power Query editor, then we tell it as a query. So here it's a scheme query, and data is a data query because it's written in a form of um, um, you can say M language. Okay, so M language is called data mashup language, which runs in the backend of the Power Query editor. If I click on advanced editor, so you can see there is a lot of coding here. This is what, whichever step we do in front, it gets captured in the backend of the Power Query editor in form of a language, M language. So M language stands for data mashup language. Okay, so that's why we call it as a data query, scheme as a scheme query in Power Query editor. Once it's get loaded into the Power BI desktop, then we tell it as a data, you can say, or you can say as a model. Okay, so coming to the topic, we need to rename the headers. So source is fine, details fine. Okay, now FTHG, it's full-time home goal. So full-time home. Okay, and if we come to FTAG, full-time away goal. Those who have played football or soccer, they know these terminologies. FTR, full-time result. Time. Okay. FTHZ is half-time home goal. Okay. Half-time goal. and this is half time away goal. Away goal. Fine. And this is our half time result. Half time result. And HS is your home score, I believe. HS. If you are confused, then we'll go to the JSON file and we'll look for the HS. What this HS means? HS means home goal shots. Okay, how many shots they had on the goal post, opponent's goal post, home team goal post, and home team away team shots. Away team shots. Okay, and then it's HST stands for, I believe, home team shots on target, I believe. It's HST. So HST. Let me just find it. HSTS, home team shots on target. Home team shots on target. And this is away team. Oh, sorry, it's name same. So I need to. Away team on target. HF means HF. Let me look for HF. What HF means? HF home team yellow card. Okay. How many yellow cards were issued till to the home team? Home team yellow card. And this is away team yellow card. Away team yellow card. And HC stands for, I believe, home team corners. And this is your away team corners. And HY. HY stands for home team. Okay, it's HY. I believe I did something wrong. Already we have a yellow card. That is okay. This is home team. So the HF is our home team foul committed. And away team foul committed. And this is your home team yellow card. Home team yellow card. And this is your card. And this is your HR is your home team red card. Team red card. And this is it. Okay, so we have renamed all the columns. So let's apply this. Close and apply. And close it. We also need to do some other works on cleaning the data. So let's first apply this setting and save the file. So he's done. So let's go to the data view and see our file data. So you can see our renames are there fine. Okay, but it's not, data is not popping up. Yeah, it's taking some time, but we have the data here. You can see we have all the data which we got. So now this column, the source.name column, this is not a relevant. We need to extract just the you can say only the season, which is 0910, the year only. Then only it will make some sense to us. So let's go and extract this column into year from this. And the next thing which will we do, we will be having a unique table which contains only the team name. So let's go and do this two things. We'll head back to the query editor, transform data. This. So to extract just just the year, what we can do, we have to split this first. So split we can do through extract. As per the length, we can split function is there. Formatting. So transpose count. Yeah, you can see split is here. Okay, so we'll split this by a delimiter. So we can see there is a dash here kind of. So you can use other things as well, but I will be using that. So let's click on this split, and in I can select. So it's better to have space, semicolon, equal, sign, comma, colons. So we don't have our character which we want. So what we can do, so let's cancel this and choose delimiter by character. Okay, so I will just add this. It's not taking. Okay, cancel it. So let me try by position. Okay, it's coming up. Yeah, by position. So okay, not this will also not be suitable. So by position, let's go with the by position format. And so by position we want how many 3, 6, 7 position. Okay, so I will just add 7. Advanced options, column only I want. So I will click OK, and it will split this into 2. You can see we have our 2 split, and the next season one, I believe it must have gone towards the end. Yeah, it's not here. No worries. Where did it go? Reference there. Okay, no worries. So now we have to extract the year from this. Okay. So now again we have to split it. Split by. Let me just by dot. It's not taking again. Okay, no worries. Then we can have this split by position. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 positions. So just add 4 and okay. Oh, I think we lost it. So let me just. So let's cross this and try transform split column by delimiter. So we have our custom equals colon space tab custom, and let's put here dot. Okay, and let's click OK. Hopefully this should split. Yeah, you can see we have now 2 here.
सर कैसे किया था मैंने सॉरी देखा नहीं मैं कुछ मैसेज रिप्लाई कर रहा था.
So what I did is, let me just repeat this step. So we'll go to the split cost, select the column, and then click on split column and by delimiter. And then in the customs, you just select custom. Okay, so if there is no options here which is matching to your requirement, then you can select custom, and then in this you can just put whichever character you think should be used as a delimiter. So I'll just put dot here, and in this you can select whichever is suitable for you in this split at leftmost, then delimiter rightmost, and but I want each occurrence because there's only one occurrence. So I will just select this and click OK. It will split that into CSV file. So I don't do, and now the next step is I don't want this CSV, so I will remove. So again, so this 910 doesn't mean anything. Okay, so what I will do is I will change this to calendar year 0910, something like that. So how I can do that? I can have this through conditional column, you can say. So another example is, let me just short this by alphabet, so that's a requirement of this. Yes, now we can do that. So if we go to the add column, you can see there is a column from example. This function we use when we know that what outcome should be. For example, in this case, I know that outcome is my 14/15 and 09/10 to show the footballing year. Okay, 16/17. When I know the outcome, then at that point of time we should use this column from example. So from selection, I'll just show you. Click this, and in the first column you will just click what you want to see. 14/15. Just hit enter, and then again 09/ it's not coming up. Oh, 09/10, then again next. In the next, I will say 12/13, then 11/12. I'm just adding as per the data here present. So I will add few examples here so that so that the backend engine recognizes that what I can do if there is a similar repetition of the words, then it will automatically pull 16 slash a kind of macro I'm recording, which will automatically run it for me. So until it I have to enter until it doesn't show any null value in the down. Okay, so 11/12, 15/16. Usually if you enter 3 4, then it's automatically accepts the rest of them, but it's not doing that. Okay, so let's try once again. I think some mistake I did here. Okay, short, remove column, change type. Okay, short, remove column was this. Okay, so let's try once again. Select this one, and from selection, so let's try once again. It should be 14/15, then hit enter. 09/10, 12/13. This would be 11/12. Still we are having null here. Okay, not to worry. Again, this, if you go to null and 1011 and 16/17, 15/16, and if we see here 13/14, if I see any null, then I can 17/18. Still we have few null here, 18/19. And if I see there, I don't think there is any other. Okay, this is looking fine. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, let's click OK. Click OK. I think this should work and give us the conditional column which we want. Let's check the result. Load more to view all. Okay, you can see all of my columns are getting results. So this is looking good, and I can now remove this column. No need. We have this custom column here, and we will rename it as season, year. Okay, so we have done it. Let's apply this and close, and keep this session till here, and let's Hope whatever I explained today and tried to show you was clear. If not, then let me know. I will add up the data and source data which I'm using in the link description. So do try the same uh, things which I did over the video. Hope everything was clear. If not, then please do let me know through the comments. Take care.